Welcome! In front of me I have ROGBID S2 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark, and the icon will get highlighted, will change the color. It means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And now you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable Do Not Disturb mode. To disable it, open the quick panel again, tap on the icon will go back to gray color. It means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. And that's how you disable it. You can also enable and disable the mode through these settings. To do it, let's open the settings. In settings, let's scroll down, find the D&D mode option, tap on the switch to enable it, like that, and tap on the switch to disable it. And once you're done, of course, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.